In this video, I will show you how to download apps on Philips Smart TV. So to be able to download apps on Philips Smart TV, the first thing that you need to have is a USB drive, an APK file, and a computer. So to be able to download apps using a USB drive, the first thing that you will need to do is to download the APK files on your USB drive. Now insert that drive into your TV. Now on your TV, go ahead and navigate to the file manager. Locate the APK file. So go ahead and find the APK file that you want to install and then install the app. Now select the APK file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the app into your TV. Now, another way you can use to be able to download apps into your Philips TV is using a file manager app. So first, go ahead and install a file manager app on your Philips Smart TV. Now, after that, go ahead and transfer the APK files to your TV either through a USB drive or using a network storage solution. Now after that, locate the APK files. So use the file manager to find the APK files on your TV storage and then tap on the APK file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. And that's basically two ways to be able to install apps on Philips Smart TV. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.